Today, we're diving into a critical topic that could literally save your life: 9 powerful foods that have been scientifically proven to fight cancer. Did you know that diet plays a crucial role in cancer prevention, with research showing that up to 30–40% of all cancers can be prevented through lifestyle and nutritional choices? But here's the catch. Simply eating these foods isn't enough. There are specific ways to prepare and consume them to maximize their cancer-fighting potential. In this video, we'll uncover 9 incredible foods that act as natural shields against cancer, and mistakes to avoid when consuming cancer-fighting foods. It's something nearly everyone gets wrong. Plus, we'll share the groundbreaking scientific research behind each food and practical tips to integrate them into your diet. Stick around to unlock nature's most powerful cancer-fighting weapons and potentially add years to your life. Before we dive into our list, let's understand how food can be your most powerful ally in cancer prevention. 1. Nutritional defense mechanism. Cancer prevention starts at the cellular level. Certain foods contain powerful compounds called phytonutrients that can interrupt cancer cell formation, reduce inflammation, and boost the body's natural defense mechanisms. These compounds work by neutralizing free radicals, supporting DNA repair, and preventing the growth and spread of potentially cancerous cells. 2. Antioxidant power. The most effective cancer-fighting foods are rich in antioxidants, molecules that neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cellular DNA, leading to mutations that potentially cause cancer. By consuming foods high in antioxidants, you create a powerful internal shield that protects your cells from oxidative stress and potential cancerous transformations. 3. Inflammatory response. Chronic inflammation is a known precursor to many types of cancer. The foods we'll discuss today have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce long-term inflammation in the body. By lowering inflammatory markers, these foods create an internal environment that is less hospitable to cancer cell growth. 4. Immune system support. Many of these foods work by directly boosting the immune system's ability to identify and destroy potentially cancerous cells. They enhance the body's natural killer cells and support the overall immune response, creating a more robust defense against potential cancer development. 5. Genetic protection. Emerging research shows that certain foods can actually influence gene expression, potentially turning off genes that promote cancer growth and activating genes that support cellular health. This epigenetic potential represents a groundbreaking approach to cancer prevention through nutrition. 6. Hormonal balance. Some foods have the remarkable ability to help balance hormones that can contribute to hormone-related cancers, such as breast and prostate cancer. By regulating hormonal activity and reducing exposure to harmful estrogen metabolites, these foods provide an additional layer of protection. 7. Detoxification support. The liver plays a crucial role in eliminating potential carcinogens from the body. The foods we'll discuss support liver function and enhance the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to remove cancer-causing compounds before they can cause damage. Now, let's dive into the 9 essential foods that fight off cancer. Food number 1. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are nutritional powerhouses. Packed with sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in multiple studies. Research published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry demonstrates that these vegetables can reduce the risk of several types of cancer by up to 40%. Food number 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are more than just sweet treats. Loaded with anthocyanins and ellagic acid, these fruits have powerful anti-cancer properties. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that these compounds can slow the growth of cancer cells and even trigger their self-destruction. Food number 3. Garlic. More than just a flavor enhancer, garlic contains allicin, a compound with remarkable cancer-fighting properties. Multiple studies have shown that regular garlic consumption can reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly digestive cancers, by up to 35%. Food number 4. Green tea. Packed with catechins, particularly EGCG, green tea has been extensively studied for its cancer prevention properties. Research indicates that the antioxidants in green tea can prevent the growth of cancer cells and even trigger their programmed cell death. Food number 5. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that curcumin can interrupt cancer cell growth and potentially prevent the spread of cancerous cells. Food number 6. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and other dark leafy greens are rich in carotenoids and flavonoids that protect cells from damage. These vegetables have been linked to reduced risks of several types of cancer, including lung and breast cancer. Food number 7. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, both of which have been shown to have cancer protective properties. Research suggests these nutrients can slow cancer cell growth and reduce inflammation. Food number 8. Nuts. Particularly walnuts, which contain compounds that may help prevent breast and prostate cancer. Studies have shown that the unique combination of nutrients in walnuts can slow cancer growth and reduce tumor size. Food number 9. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are packed with fiber and protective compounds that can reduce the risk of colorectal and other cancers. Their high fiber content helps remove potential carcinogens from the body and supports overall digestive health. Mistakes to avoid when consuming cancer-fighting foods. Mistake 1. Overcooking. High temperatures can destroy many of the beneficial compounds in these foods. Aim for light steaming or raw preparations when possible. Mistake 2. Inconsistent consumption. These foods work best when consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet. Mistake 3. Ignoring variety. Don't rely on just one or two foods. Diversity is key to obtaining a full range of cancer-fighting nutrients. Practical tips for maximizing cancer-fighting foods. Choose organic when possible. Eat a variety of colors. Combine foods for enhanced nutrient absorption. Minimize processing. Practice portion control. Important disclaimer. While these foods have shown promising results in cancer prevention, they are not a guarantee against cancer. Always consult with healthcare professionals and maintain regular checkups. By incorporating these 9 powerful foods into your diet, you're taking a proactive approach to your health. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more life-changing health information. What's your favorite cancer-fighting food? Let us know in the comments below.